Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Oche's TV. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Goodness Ocheche Emmanuel Rifa. So in today's video, I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how to cut sound for your TikTok and Reels videos. Please stay tuned. So guys, go to your web browser, type it on Google, audiotrimmer.com, type audiotrimmer.com, here it is. So click on it like this. So from here, you can now upload the audio you want to trim, this place. So you click here to upload, then you click on files. So when you get here, then scroll to your left, and click on sound picker. Click on sound picker. Then from here you can select any sound you want to cut. So let me select this one. You click done. Once you select it, you click done, then you can now come here. This is where the work is done. This place. This is where the work is done for you to cut any part of the audio you want to use for your TikTok and Reel videos. So click play first. This is where to click play. So for you to play, to know where you are going to start cutting the sound from. So click play. So you can now start dragging it. So you keep dragging it. You keep dragging it like this. To make it very short, maybe if you want 1 minute, just 1 minute sound, you keep dragging it. So this is 1 minute now. Then when you are done, you scroll down and click crop. You click here to crop it. So click crop. Then you can now download it on your phone. Click here to download that small one you just cropped on your phone. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today. Please support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Don't forget to drop comments, like, and also share to your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye bye.